Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back at Dollar Tree, and so I want to show you what I got. I found some new things. One thing here that I hadn't seen anybody haul. The felt ribbon, it's 6 feet in this beautiful blue with butterflies. The same design in this pretty spring green. And in the pink. It's a hot pink. So I found those. I hadn't seen those before at my Dollar Tree or in anyone's videos. So, okay. Got another one of these for projects for my spoons. These are so cute. They look really nice on spoons. I have one I have to finish. I'm working on, and since I was sick, I'm doing much better now, you guys. Thank you so much for all of your well wishes. But I haven't been in my craft room for at least 2 weeks, if not longer. And I found these confetti, the hibiscus shape. They're so pretty and sparkly. I think the glitter's gonna come off, but they'll still be cute for cards. And I got some of this tape. This stuff is really nice. If you haven't used this before, it sticks to itself. So if you have a wound, for example, I'm not sure how I got this, but if you wanted to put a piece of gauze on it and secure it, this is nice because it attaches to itself. You don't have to put any adhesive on your skin. My skin's very sensitive to adhesive. And then I got these. These are the Curad, and these are in white. It's a slightly shorter roll. Oh, here, I should show you the front. A slightly shorter roll than the Dollar Tree, but it's still 1 inch. Same thing, works great. Got another paper tape. They have nice, and that's good paper tape. That's just as good as what they use in the hospital. I got a card for somebody. And I found this. This is in the, you know, the housewares automotive area. This sanding block or sanding sponge, you can use it wet or dry, but I'm going to use this on my plastic spoons to smooth out the rough edges and anything else that I want to sand. So I was happy to find that. I've been using an old nail file and it's not working very well anymore. And they still had a few of these, so I got another one for me. For the Amope Petty thingy. And I got myself an exfoliating bath glove. I've been using self-tanner on my legs. My arms, you know, my body tans pretty easily, but for some reason my legs don't tan very well. So I like to use self-tanner on my legs. I got these for my daughter. I can't wear these, but she can, and they're so cute. And living in Hawaii, well, they don't have flamingos in Hawaii, but and then I was watching Christy Nitro's video. Hi Christy, if you're watching. She lives here in Vegas, and she is an artist and does a lot of crafting, journaling, mixed media, very talented. She had gotten a bunch of these, and I thought that is such a good idea. Isn't that beautiful? Because I'm notorious for still getting hot flashes 20 years later, still getting hot flashes. And I'm just gonna carry this in my purse. And then if we're out and about and I'm getting a hot flash, plus it's 90 degrees, I have that. I got these 2 microfiber cleaning towels, great for dusting, which is what I got it for, because for some reason, you know, I have those, the dusters on the stick, and for some reason, our bedroom furniture, it just doesn't want to pick up the dust. So I thought these might be better just for a quick dusting when I don't want to use the furniture polish. And they had a bunch of new makeup, I think for Mother's Day. So I thought I'd try the metal lipstick. I think Anna, only in my dreams, I think she got a few of these. So I just picked up the one, and this is in blushed. It's a beautiful berry color. And then on Saturday, we're having a bunch of our friends over for a cookout. And so I thought I'd get the inexpensive tablecloth. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have gotten this one because the glasses that I got when I showed you my 99-cent only store haul, those are in the pretty blue and green, but I don't know. Maybe after I will just keep it on the table to keep it clean because it gets dusty real fast. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna put this away. And then on to bag number 2. Yeah, we're gonna be in the low 90s this week. We're 10 degrees above normal. This spring has been really weird. Last year's spring was pretty consistent, you know, temps were normal. But this spring, my glasses are slipping down. It's been cool and rainy and cloudy and windy and hot and just like, you know, spring in a lot of the other parts of the country are. They have these new hummingbird solar stakes, and we have hummingbirds here, and we have hummingbird feeders because we love them. And I have some of these from at least 2 years ago. Not the hummingbird, but the flower ones, and they're still going strong. I put these in my plants because our soil is like concrete here in Vegas. So I put them in my plants, and they're really pretty. They look nice at night. I found this. Roxy had told me, my last Dollar Tree haul, I had gotten the 3 lavender purple shaped toilet things. My friend Barbara had gotten some, and so I got some, and Roxy first, she warned me not to use them because I guess they mess up your toilet pretty badly. So I got these. These are the ones that you just drop in the tank. So just for the master bathroom, the dogs don't go in there. I don't have to worry about that. And I can't find my e.l.f. Midnight Liquid Eyeliner. I really like this. It's in the Midnight. It's the dark blue. I don't know what I did with it. Who knows? It's crazy. I have 3 makeup bags, one for my liquid and cream products, one for my powder products, and one for my brushes. Can't find it. They had more of the Bolero for Mom's Day. They had a lot of stuff out for Mother's Day. So I got 2 hand wash in the honeysuckle and green tree. I really like this hand soap. It's really nice. It doesn't, it's not antibacterial, which I like. The only time I want to use antibacterial soap is if I have a wound or like a poopy mess, you know, like one of the dogs gets sick or poos or something. Other than that, I just use regular soap. I want to keep my immune system healthy and strong. And then I got 2 of these. I've been seeing people just rave about the bath soak. So I got 2 of these. We've been in our house 6 months and I've yet to take a bath, but I need to. Because sometimes when I'm achy, and I think these are Epsom salt. Sodium chloride. Add 4 to 6 tablespoons to running bath water, soak, and enjoy. So I think that's what Epsom salts are, sodium chloride. And then they have the nice fragrance. And then I finally found these. They still have some left. I got 2 of the beautiful blue. I'm gonna send one to my daughter. They are so nice. Inside you can see there's a little glue, but that's okay. They're so pretty. So I got 2 of the blue. You don't have to see the second one. I got the beautiful green. Find them in here. I did get this one. This was the only one left, and it has this chip or something in it that's dark, and I debated. I picked it up, I put it back, I went back and got it back to the aisle and got it, because who knows if they'll get any more of these in. It has a little chip. These are so nice for gifts. I have a little one that I got years ago when we still lived in Madison. It's so pretty. It has a little angel on the top of it. But these are nice if you just want to put your rings in here or whatever. I got that, and then I got a pink one. The little macaron jars. So I finally found them. So if you're here in Vegas, it's the Dollar Tree on Blue Diamond Mall. And they still had some left. I got the last of the lavender one, but they still had a couple of pink and then the blue and the green. So I was happy to finally find them. Do I need them? No. But I wanted them. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and that your weather is improving. I hope you're not at 90 degrees in April like we are. But hey, you know, it's okay. We live in Vegas. I'm not in Alaska in the awful snow and cold anymore, so. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I apologize for not responding to comments. I was just feeling so crappy for a while, but I'm definitely feeling better. Still have a little bit of a cough and I still have to blow my nose from time to time, but nothing big. And yeah, so we're just getting ready for our party. I think we're gonna go to Costco on Thursday and stock up on the food for that. And that's about it. All right, guys, I love you. Take care. Bye.